Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle my laundry room. I have been putting it off for quite some time now, but since we are all living our best quarantine life, I figured why not go ahead and get it done. And I pray that you are all safe and healthy. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm going to take the rug up and move all the hampers out because I wanted to start by pulling the washer and dryer out so that I can clean back there first. If you're here for the first time, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm Tiffany and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, please consider subscribing and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Take off your mask, yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. And y'all, look at the mess we found once we pulled the washing machine out. This is terrible. And this is what it looked like after we pulled the dryer out. It may not look that bad on camera, but it's bad, y'all. It's bad. So I'm pretty sure this is laundry soap, and I don't know how it ended up here, but I'm spraying some Ajax on it to help clean it up. And now I'm going to sweep, vacuum, and clean the baseboards, and then I'll move on to cleaning the back of the washer and dryer. Okay, y'all, so in keeping with my last video with the little get to know me segment, I told y'all that we have been living here in Florida for almost the past 4 years. So my husband and I met, like I said, when we were in the Navy, and he retired after 20 years of service, and I got out after 10, and then we moved back to Georgia and stayed for 9 years before we decided to move to Florida. And this has by far been the most beautiful place we have ever lived. I mean, you just can't beat living 10 minutes from the beach. And some of you may know that I have MS, so I really believe that the warmer climate has helped me to not have as many flare-ups. I mean, like I said, you just can't beat beautiful weather year-round. If there's anything you guys want to know about me, feel free to ask me in the comments down below.
There's no point to try to fight it. I won't listen to you and
So now that I have cleaned the back of the washer and dryer, I'm going to go ahead and mop and dust the shelf above the washer and dryer, and then I'm going to put everything back and clean the rest of the laundry room. And now I'm going to give the floor a good sweep, and after that I'm going to clean all the baseboards. So I noticed that there were a lot of spots and stains and scratches on the walls. So I took a magic eraser and went around the whole room and cleaned them off.
Something to buy the bug, yeah. The bug, yeah. Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing
And the last thing I needed to do was sanitize my washing machine. And I'm just going to pour in some Tide washing machine cleaner and put the setting on sanitize with extra hot water. Now, you don't have to use the Tide cleaner. You can also do this with white vinegar and baking soda, and they both work like a champ.
Sunlight that always stays in about the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Okay, y'all, that's all for today. I hope that I was able to give you some motivation to clean your laundry room or any space in your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And stay tuned for my next video where I am still telling you all about me. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm not the problem, man, that's on you. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong.